today we are trying to sell this Bronco. This is a 68 Bronco that belongs to a friend of mine. He bought his dream Bronco to build, and the way the world's been going, things haven't worked out. So he decided he's selling it. It's an Alberta registered Bronco, and we are in BC, Vernon, BC. So let's have a look over this thing. What do we got? We have a rebuilt 289 with a comp cam. It's a little bit lumpy. It's got headers, dual exhaust, 2-barrel, 3 on the tree. It's got a new fuel tank. It is a running, driving Bronco. It's got a lot of rust. If you're restoring it, you're going to have to do floors, tailgate. Someone's cut all the fenders because it had bigger tires on it. It'll need a windshield frame, all the inners. Yeah, see if I can get this open with one hand. Oh, that's a heavy hood. We do have the factory air cleaner. But yes, you can see there's some serious rust on the inners. The typical ones from the vents. By the looks of it, it used to be green. The rad support is in excellent shape. I just spoke to a gentleman who restored these, and he said this one's actually a lot better than the one he did. So yes, we need this thing gone because we have no room here. We can't even close the shop anymore. And the current offer, the highest bid we have is $16,000. So if anybody is interested and wants to beat that, well, you can leave a message on here. We'll figure out how to connect. You can go to my Instagram, ATP Customs Limited on Instagram. Today is September 27th. We're in Vernon, BC. Let's get this Bronco gone.